Hey guys, my name is Richard and this is my dad.
Hey, so today we're going to make something interesting. We're going to make a bread pot and we're going to make a beef stew.
For the bread pot, we're gonna be needing salt, flour, yeast, and some sugar, and some warm water. The first step is to activate the yeast. So first we're gonna add some yeast to the bowl. So now we have some sugar and we have some water. And then you need to mix it up.
So the yeast is going to take about like 45 minutes. Once the yeast is ready, then we're going to start making the dough. So we are getting ready to make the dough. So let's start, Richard.
Alright. And then we're gonna add some salt.
Spread it out. So this is a 4 cups of flour we have. Richard can add some more water, warm water. Okay, so the dough is almost ready now, so it's smooth and nice. So we're going to rest it for some time, and then. So meanwhile, we're going to make the beef masala. All right, so add some onions and you just have to saute it. So we're going to add some spices to our stew, and this is going to be a beef masala. So Richard is going to add some spices now as the onion is ready. So some coriander powder, 2 small spoons. That's and then some cumin powder.
That's you.
Some little bit of cumin powder, and then some turmeric powder. These are all the main ingredients for the masala, and then some chili powder. You can add chili powder as for your preference. You can add.
We're going to add the beef. Now we're gonna add some crushed tomatoes.
Beef is cooking now. So we have. We're going to work with the dough now. We're going to make like a bread roll. It's ready. We're dividing the dough into like I'm trying to make like a dinner roll size. And Richard helped me out in the other side. He's going to make another piece, and I'm going to pick a piece. Yes, now I'm going to flatten it up, like making it a flat piece, and I'm going to insert a whole garlic inside. You'll see that, so that we can have a space inside as well as the garlic flavor goes inside the roll. So this is how I'm going to roll it and leave it in the tray for proofing. Richard, we can add the carrots, celery in our stew. We're gonna make a pot with the thing. So we're gonna slit this like that. And then the foil. We're gonna just put it inside. So we're gonna do for all of them. Richard, Richard is quick in that. Oh, good. All right, then we're gonna do the rest of it. Okay, now almost we are ready with this. So we're gonna leave a little more time for it to proof. So we have this. We had some left out dough, so we just made some like a French baguette, and then the stew is cooking still. The beef is going to take some more time. Put our oven ready for baking. So our oven is preheated for 375 degrees. We're almost ready to.
And this smells really good.
So we got the bread from the oven. So we have a garlic there. There you go. So your dish is ready. Enjoy.